The trade which we are going to be studying throughout this lecture is a bearish breakout short trading position which I took on the GBP/JPY currency pair. This short trade went on for a couple of days, but instead of telling you about it, I'm going to let you watch over my shoulder as I trade the live Forex market from this trade's start to its finish. The chart that is being displayed on the screen now is a daily chart of the GBP/JPY currency pair. The direction of the long-term trend on this Forex currency pair's daily time frame seems to be bearish at the moment. And how did I arrive at this conclusion, you ask? Well, price is currently trading below all of the 360 period simple moving average lines which are being plotted onto this currency pair's daily time frame. Coupled with the fact that price action just made a successful bearish crossover below the 3 simple moving averages which were applied to this same currency pair's daily chart about a week ago. However, before rushing to look for low-risk, high-probability bearish breakout short Forex trade setups on the 1-hour time frame of this currency pair, we would have to confirm the validity of this daily time frame's bearish long-term trend using this same currency pair's 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I've just switched to the 4-hour chart of the GBP/JPY currency pair after identifying that the direction of the long-term trend on its daily time frame is actually bearish at the moment. And the only reason why I did this is simply because I would like to confirm the validity of the bearish long-term trend on its daily time frame using this same currency pair's 4-hour time frame. As you can see on the screen, just like the long-term trend on the daily time frame, the direction of the medium-term trend on the 4-hour time frame of the GBP/JPY currency pair is also bearish at the moment. And this is simply because price action made a successful bearish crossover about a week ago, coupled with the fact that the market's current price is trading below the 360 period simple moving averages on this chart. Now, since the direction of the long-term trend on the daily time frame and the medium-term trend on the 4-hour time frame of this currency pair are both bearish at the moment, we're finally going to proceed to its 1-hour time frame with the aim of finding super low risk, high probability bearish breakout short trading opportunities to start taking advantage of. However, if the medium-term trend on the 4-hour chart of the GBP/JPY currency pair was trading above its 360 period simple moving averages, we would not proceed to its 1-hour time frame with the aim of looking for super low risk, high probability bearish breakout short Forex trade setups, simply because there's an improper bearish trend alignment between the daily and the 4-hour chart. Okay, since we've confirmed that the long-term trend on the daily chart and the medium-term trend on this currency pair's 4-hour chart are both moving in the bearish direction at the moment, we're now going to crank down to its 1-hour time frame with the intention of looking for low-risk, high-probability bearish breakout short Forex trade setups following this trend trading strategy's rules. Price has crossed and closed below our 360 period simple moving averages on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame, satisfying this trend trading strategy's first ground rule for identifying bearish breakout short trade setups in the direction of the market's current bearish trend. As you can see on the screen, I already have an open short trading position on the GBP/JPY currency pair. And this is simply because price action triggered the self-stop pending order which I placed right below the tip of the confirmed bearish fractal which was printed onto this 1-hour chart after price made its successful bearish crossover below our 3 SMAs. However, the simple moving average, which gives us dynamic price levels to place our stop loss orders for bearish breakout short trading positions, has now moved away from this trade's current stop loss. Therefore, we're going to move our stop loss order from its current position to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour chart, is currently located at. Our risk on this short trade currently stands at about minus 84.2 pips, which is exactly $114.55, simply because I'm trading 15 mini lots of the GBP/JPY currency pair at the moment. As you've just seen on the screen, I've reduced my overall risk on this short trade from minus 84.2 pips down to minus 72.4 pips after adjusting this trade's stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, is currently located at. And now, my overall risk on this short currency trading position has just moved from minus 114 US dollars and 55 cents down to only minus 98 US dollars and 50 cents. Well, since we've reduced our overall risk on this short trading position by adjusting our stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, is currently located at, we've got nothing else to do but to patiently sit and wait for price action to unfold. If this currency pair's prevalent bearish trend decides to continue moving south, the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, is going to continue to move away from our dynamic stop loss order, giving us ample opportunities to reduce our overall risk on this open short currency trading position as time goes by. However, if this bearish trend decides to retrace its steps a bit, or maybe even reverse altogether, price action is going to cross above the 360 period simple moving averages on this 1 hour chart. But as it is now, we don't know which one of these two scenarios is going to end up playing out at this particular moment in time. Therefore, all we can do is to simply keep a close eye on price action. Okay, a couple of hours have passed since we adjusted the stop loss order on this short trading position. And now, the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, has moved away from its current stop loss order once again, giving us another great opportunity to reduce our overall risk on this short trading position. As it is now, our overall risk on this open short trading position is about minus 72.4 pips, which is equivalent to about 99 US dollars and 23 cents, since I'm only trading a puny little 15 mini lots of the GBP JPY currency pair. However, after moving my stop loss order from its current price level to the brand new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, is currently located at, my overall risk on this short trade moved down to only minus 36.6 pips from the minus 72.4 pips which it was previously at only a couple of seconds ago. As a result of this, I'm now only risking 50 US dollars and 16 cents on this short trading position instead of the previous 99 US dollars and 23 cents. Now, since we've successfully adjusted this short trade stop loss order following this advanced trend trading strategies rules, we've got nothing else to do other than to sit on our hands and closely watch how price action unfolds over the next couple of hours. As price continues to relentlessly move south in favor of our open short trade on the GBP JPY currency pair, the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, continues to move away from our stop loss order, giving us a ton of great opportunities to reduce our overall risk on this short trading position. At the moment, our current risk on this short trade is about minus 36.6 pips, which is exactly 50 US dollars and 36 cents. But since the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, has moved away from our current stop loss, we're going to react by adjusting our stop loss order. As you've just seen on the screen, moving my stop loss order from its previous location to the current price level where it is supposed to be located at has helped me to cut down my overall risk on this trading position from minus 36.6 pips to only minus 25.3 pips, which is now exactly 34 US dollars and 81 cents. Well, slowly but surely, our stop loss order is approaching the price level where we opened this currently profitable short trading position on the GBP JPY currency pair. Now, when this eventually happens, we're going to take 1/3 of our short trading position's profit off of the table and immediately move this trade stop loss order to break even. Doing this is going to help us guarantee that we're not going to lose a single dime of our hard-earned money, even if price action was to suddenly move against us and trigger our stop loss order. But in the meantime, we're just going to keep our fingers crossed with the hope that price action doesn't trigger our stop loss order, which would close this short trade with a loss of 34 US dollars and 81 cents. The market's price action has given us yet another opportunity to reduce our overall risk on this short trading position. Therefore, we're going to adjust this trade stop loss order once again. If you've been carefully following along, I'm pretty sure you remember that our current risk on this short currency trading position is only minus 25.3 pips, right? Well, as you've just seen on the screen, moving my stop loss from its previous location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour chart is currently located at has helped me to cut my overall risk on this trading position down to about minus 16.9 pips, which is only a tiny little $23 and 23 cents since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the GBP JPY currency pair. At long last, the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame has finally reached the price level where we entered into the market with this short trading position. And why is this so special, you ask? Well, this is so special because we finally get to take 1/3 of our profits off of this short trading position and then move our stop loss to break even right away. Doing this simple money management task is going to ensure that we're not going to lose a single dime on this short trading position, even if price action decides to suddenly reverse against us. At the moment, our risk on this short trade is about minus 16.9 pips, which is exactly $23 and 20 cents. Now watch this. I'm going to move my stop loss order to break even and then close 1/3 of this short trade's profits and then let the remaining 2/3 of this position run with the trend for all it's worth. As you can see on the screen, our short trade on the GBP JPY currency pair has brought in about 120.6 pips in pure profits. And since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of this currency pair, I'm going to have to close 5 mini lots in order to lock in 1/3 of the profits I've been able to accumulate from this short trading position. And that's it. As it is now, I'm not going to lose a single dime from my trading capital, even if price action was to suddenly stop moving south and then reverse against this profitable short trading position. In fact, doing this simple money management task has just helped me to convert my short trading position from being a potential loser into a guaranteed winner simply because I closed 1/3 of this short trading position size with a profit of about 120 pips and then moved its stop loss to break even. Now, all we've got to do is to simply sit back, relax, and watch price action continue to unfold before our very eyes as time goes by. Once again, my short trade stop loss is lagging behind the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. Therefore, I'm just going to go on ahead and move its stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high is currently located at. And this pretty much does it for now. We've got nothing else to do but to wait and see if price action is going to continue to head south in favor of our short trading position or turn around against it and trigger our stop loss order. A couple of hours have passed since I last adjusted this short trade stop loss order in an attempt to lock in some more of the profits it's been able to accumulate during its lifespan. Well, here's a question for you. Did you notice that the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame has moved away from our current stop loss order yet again? Now, if your response to that question was a yes, then I guess you know exactly what we're going to do next, right? Your guess is correct if you're thinking to yourself that we should move our stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where our high prices 60 period simple moving average is currently at. As it is now, we're currently sitting on about 8.5 pips of profit, which is exactly $7 and 78 cents on this short trading position. However, our current stop loss is quite far from where it's supposed to be at this particular moment in time. As a result of this, Moving our stop loss order to the price level where it's supposed to be located at the moment is going to help us to lock in a considerable amount of profits from this profitable short trading position. As you've just seen on the screen, I've moved this short trade stop loss order to the price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, is currently located at. Well, this has helped me to lock in about 42.5 pips in pure profits from this short trading position. And don't forget, this is in addition to the 120.6 pips of profit which I locked in from this trading position earlier on when I closed 1/3 of the trade's position size and moved its stop loss to break even. You do remember that, right? Now, since we've properly taken care of business, we're going to sit on our hands and keep a close eye on the markets. If price action continues to move in favor of our short trading position, perfect. However, if it decides to reverse against us and trigger our stop loss order, we're going to come out of this short trading position with a handful of profits. So essentially, this trade is a win-win situation for us, whatever price decides to do. Once again, our short trade stop loss is lagging behind this advanced trend trading strategy's dynamic stop loss price level indicator for bearish breakout short trading positions. Therefore, I'm going to go ahead and move its stop loss order to the brand new price level where it's supposed to be at without wasting any more of your precious time. Adjusting this short trade stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where it's supposed to be located at has just helped me to lock in about 53.7 pips in pure profits. As a result of this, we're going to come out of this short trade with a profit of about $49.24 from the remaining 10 mini lots which we've still got open on this short GBP JPY trading position, in addition to the 120.6 pips of profits which we were able to take off of the table when we locked in a portion of this short trading position's accumulated profits back at break even. As usual, I'm going to wait and see if price decides to continue moving south in favor of our short trading position or reverse against it to take us out of the market by triggering its stop loss order. At long last, price action has closed out our profitable short trading position with some super cool amount of profits when price made a successful bullish crossover above the 360 period simple moving averages which were applied to prices high, low and close on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. I really hope that you've learned a lot from this short trading position which I took on the GBP JPY currency pair. And please, feel free to drop your questions if you find anything puzzling with regards to the short trade which I just took on this currency pair, and I promise to get back to you as soon as I can. And that's all for this lecture, folks. See you in the next one. Cheers.